Okay, Avinash, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Right. So today we solve the objective bits of coal and petroleum. Right. So have you solved anything we didn't solve now till now? Chalo now. Okay. So now we start now one by one. So which of the following is a natural resources? What is the right answer? You open your book, no problem. Okay, you know, open the book and the same pages are there now. However, so open the book and do it now. So which of the following is the natural resources? Tea, cooked food, air, toffee.
Is
Air, very good boy. So air is the right answer. Okay, so air is the right answer. Very good. Next one, inexhaustible natural resource in nature are, which are inexhaustible. Inexhaustible means what? Which cannot be over even after using a long period. Which one in that?
unlimited. B.
Unlimited. Very good. B is the right answer. Now, resources which are limited in nature are called
Exhaustible.
exhaustible. Very good. Which of the following is an exhaustible natural resource?
Soil.
No, 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 no. Forest. Forest, if you cut the forest continuously, so what happens after few years? The forest may over. Okay. So deforestation, you know, no. So that is a de-exhaustible natural resource. Next, sunlight is comes under which type of natural resource? Huh?
Inexhaustible natural resource.
Very good. Inexhaustible natural resource. Next, the use of natural resources should be
Profitable.
the use of natural resources should be equitable, heavy, prohibited. So, right, profitable is the right answer. Okay, very good. Chalo, here you see now.
Yes.
Now, coal can be formed from
Fossils.
fossils. Very good. Next, coal is in dash color.
Black.
Black color. Very good. Coal is dash in nature.
Hard.
Hard only. Coal is hard in nature. Okay. Coal can be used as a
Fuel.
fuel. Very good. It is used as a fuel. Okay. Next, coal mainly contains
Hydrogen.
coal. Coal mainly contains carbon, carbonization. Coal to form a coal, it will take a lot of time. The slow process of converting the fossils into carbon is called carbonization. So that is carbon. So answer is C. Next, carbonization is given. See, carbonization. What is the carbonization?
Sir.
What is carbonization?
The slow conversion of wood, the dead plants into which
So this one, slow conversion of dead vegetation into coal, right? Next, which is an almost pure form of carbon?
coal.
Pure form. Coal tar is a mixture of 200 substances. I said it to you. Did you remember or not?
Coke, sir.
Coke. Coke is the right answer. Next, the gas which is present in the coal mines and is the cause of explosion in the coal mines is. So, in this one of the gas, sometimes you know it causes the explosion. A lot of gas will be released, and this is also causes for explosion. So, what type of gas here you can see? Methane, carbon monoxide, hydrogen, and carbon dioxide. What is the answer? Hmm? Okay. If I move, this all will move. Huh? So the answer is not carbon monoxide but methane. What is the answer? Methane is the answer. Okay. Now then come to the, so now the next questions are based on coal tar now. So your next questions are based on coal tar. Coal tar has a dash smell. What type of smell coal tar has?
Unpleasant smell.
Unpleasant smell. Very good boy. Naphthalene balls are obtained from?
Coal tar.
Coal tar. Very good. Which gas is obtained during the process of coal? When you process the coal, three types of substances I said you that. In that, which one is one of the substance? On processing coal, three substances are released, means three substances are obtained. One is solid, one is gas, one is liquid. So three times I said. What are those? That is one of the three. Acha, first you say what are those? Did you remember three? No? Okay. So on coal, on processing of coal, we can get three substances. One is coke, second one is coal tar, third one is coal gas. Right? So now here out of four options, which is the right answer now?
Coal gas.
Coal gas. Coal gas is the right answer. Next, coke is not used in the preparation of. So coal we are not using in the preparation of. So here you see carbon monoxide plus hydrogen, carbon monoxide plus nitrogen, means is actually these are the gaseous fuels. These two are what? Gaseous fuels, and iron, diamond. So 1, 2, 3, 4 are there. So they are asking coke. Coke is nothing but a like carbon, pure form of carbon. So now where we cannot use this carbon, once you see and say diamond. Very good boy, very good. Next, water gas is a mixture of water gas. So water gas is a mixture of water gas. So see, water formula is water.
CO2.
Water formula
H2O.
H2O, and this, okay, this is a steam. Okay, water is converted to steam and is passed through red hot carbon. Passed through which? Red hot carbon. The carbon is very very hot, red hot. When you pass this one, so what happens? These both will react. So this carbon react with this oxygen to form carbon monoxide. So this oxygen is going there. Left is what? Hydrogen. So H2. So now what is there here? CO plus H2. Yes or no? So the answer is B. Is this clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Water gas. Water formula is H2O. So where is H2 here? Here H2. Okay. And we are discussing about which chapter? Coal and petroleum. Coal means what? There is a carbon. So carbon and water. So carbon means C, water means H2O. So CO and H2. CO and H2. So the logically you think here the answer is okay, CO plus H2. Is this clear to you? Right. Now the next question. A substance has thick liquid with the unpleasant smell. What is that? Coal tar. Very good boy. Okay. Now go to the next one. Chalo, right, okay. Now, Petroleum is found. Where the petroleum is found?
Deep under the surface of the earth, sir.
On the surface of the earth, in the atmosphere, in the Arctic region, deeper under surface of the earth. Very good boy. So D is the right answer. Okay. Now petroleum is
Exhaustible natural.
very good. Exhaustible means what? On using certain over a period of time, that all petroleum deposits will be over, right? Next one, petrol or gasoline used as a automobile fuel in a mixture of. So what is that? Hydrocarbons, alcohols, carbohydrates, hydrocarbons and alcohols. So here we are using petrol or gasoline. These are used as an automobile fuel. In the automobile fuel we are using. So that mainly consists of what? Hydrocarbons, alcohols, carbohydrates, and hydrocarbons and alcohols. What is the answer? Hydrocarbons is the right answer. Okay? Right. Now next, out of the following fractions of petroleum, the one having the lowest boiling point means very less boiling point, for which there is a less boiling point, kerosene, diesel, gasoline and heavy oil. So I explained in the fractionation of petroleum, no? Fractionation of petroleum, big tower, and as you are moving upward the temperature will be decreases, I said you, did you remember? In the top one, which one will come in the top? Did you have that picture, that notes you have written?
Yes.
What is that? Top one. Kerosene, petrol, diesel, like this all will come. In the top one, which one will be there? Kerosene is at the top, gasoline is at the top. Gasoline. Okay. Next, which most of the hydrocarbons from petroleum are obtained by which method? We can take the petroleum, by which method we can subtract them all, separate them? No. Destructive distillation for coal processing. Coal processing on destructive distillation. Okay, then coal gives coke, coal tar and coal gas. And here petroleum is by fractional distillation. Fractional distillation. Okay. Next, the source of kerosene is very good, crude petroleum. From the crude petroleum on fractionation we get the kerosene. Which of the following is not a petroleum product? Not a petroleum product.
Beeswax.
Beeswax, very good, because this bees, from bees we will get this one. So okay. Next, the useful substances obtained from petroleum are called useful petrochemicals. Very good, petrochemicals are the useful substances we can get. Petrol and diesel can be obtained from petroleum. Very good. Petroleum is formed from
Organisms in seas.
very good, organisms and sea. Very good boy, you are doing so well. Next, now this is based on the natural gas. Natural gas has a main component as which component is there in the natural gas? Methane. What is the answer? Methane. Natural gas can be transported through cylinders. Okay. So that is called compressed natural gas. Okay. LPG gas is a mixture of butane. Okay. Butane is main thing. Right. Next, CNG means what? What is the full form of CNG?
Compressed natural gas.
Very good. Compressed natural gas. Highly polluting, less polluting, not at all polluting, and none of this.
Not
Not
at all polluting.
at all polluting. CNG. Actually, it comes under less polluting, I think so. Very less polluting. Okay, once check that one. Okay. Now see the next one.
LPG is used in
This is.
homes.
Okay. Now LPG is used in very home, and of course nowadays vehicles also they are using, but of course we can use in the home also. Liquefied petroleum gas can be used at home also. Next, CNG is used for compressed natural gas is used for here. Actually compressed natural gas mostly is used as a fuel. So actually now here it is given as none of this, but in some places they are also using for power generation. Okay. Now CNG is stored under, no, this is stored under actually stored under, you have to write the same options I have given. Options should be different here. It should be under high pressure. Okay. So under high pressure. So on pressure, if you put law, so that what happens, it will be compressed. So that's what is compressed natural gas. So that is under pressure should be there. Here and here same options are printed. That's wrong. Okay. Now next one, PCRA stands for PCRA. Pollution Control Research and Association. Okay. Which of the following fuels are expected to last long? Petroleum. Right. Now solar energy. Which of the following forms of energy is environmental friendly? Wind. Next, which of them is used in extraction of metals? Coke. Because coke has a strong, more pure amount of pure carbon, so it consists of lot of carbon inside. So that is it. Next, in the following questions, identify different options from other three. Diamond, coal, graphite, and calcium carbonate. No. Here calcium carbonate. Diamond is made up of carbon only. Graphite is made up of carbon only. Coal is also made up of carbon only. But calcium carbonate contains other substances, so the answer is this one. Okay. Next, marsh gas, kerosene, petrol, diesel. In this four, which is marsh gas? Very good. Next, sunlight, air, natural gas, wind. Natural gas. Very good boy. Next, gasoline, paraffin wax, coal gas, lubricating oil. No, here gasoline, paraffin wax, coal. Yeah, gasoline is the right answer, because here this gasoline will get from the petroleum. From where we can get? But paraffin wax, coal gas, and lubricating oil we can get the processing of coke. Okay, for processing of coal. In the processing of coal we can get this one. Is this clear? Next, which of the following product is not obtained from the fossil fuels? From the fossil fuels, which cannot be obtained? Wood. Very good. Okay. Fossils can be best explained as, what are the fossils? The remains of dead plants and animals buried under the rocks, the remains of plants buried under the sand, the remains of animals buried under the soil, the bodies of dead plants and animals. What is the right answer?
The bodies of
Animals and plants. Yeah, fossil means the bodies of dead animals and plants. Right, very good. Next, fossils are the, fossils are what?
dead remains of living organisms.
Very good, dead remains of living organism. Next, various materials which are obtained from nature are called natural resources. Which of the following is not a natural resource?
Plastic,
Yeah, plastic, minerals, water, soil. Yes, very good. Next, air is a natural resource and cannot be exhausted by human activities. It is known as inexhaustible natural resource. Which of the following another inexhaustible natural resource?
sunlight,
Sunlight. Very good. Okay, so 50 you solved. Okay, so this 50 we stop. More, how many are there? You try, and next one. Okay, Chaitanya. Sorry, Avinash. So next one you try, and if you have any doubt, ask in the next class. Okay, and we try to solve some other questions in the next class, and then we start the next chapter, that is synthetic fibers and plastics, polymers.